Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the Deutsche Bank app showing a blank screen or a white screen on your phone. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the Deutsche Bank app, and then swipe it away, closing it completely. After that, restart your phone. This refreshes your system and fixes memory app bugs. Then, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between networks. Then head over to your app store, search for the Deutsche Bank app, and then update the app if you have already not updated it. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Then if the problem continues, uninstall the app, then reinstall it and log in again. Also disable VPN if you are using one. That's how to fix Deutsche Bank app and blank screen issue. Like and subscribe for more quick fixes.